presenting the Ram 2020 3500 Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: engine 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel included, selective catalytic reduction, urea, dual 730 amp maintenance-free batteries, Cummins turbo diesel badge, heavy-duty engine cooling supplemental heater, gross vehicle weight 12,300 pounds, current generation engine controller, diesel exhaust brake capless, fuel fill with O discriminator, chrome appearance group included, bright rear bumper, chrome grille, surround matte black mesh with chrome grille, bright front bumper, rear wheelhouse liners, LED bed lighting, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, billet silver metallic clear coat, gross vehicle weight 14,000 lbs, front and rear rubber floor mats and wheels, 17 inches x 6.0 steel chrome clad. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one.